Hi, my name is Steve Park and I'm the Marketing Lead and Community Manager for Integro. This video will be an overview of how to sign in to Integro platform and how to connect to the blockchain with our partner wallet Portis. To get started, on the main page, click Sign Up and select your role as an institute, instructor, or student. In this case, I'm going to select student, enter in your first and last name, your email address, and a secure password, and your phone number. After entering those information in, click Sign Up, and a pop-up will appear that requires you to verify your email address. I'll quickly go over to my email and verify this link by clicking. By clicking the link, it will take you to a new page and click here to log in. Select your role that you've selected when creating your account. Enter your email address and your password. Then log in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see a pop-up that asks you to connect to the blockchain. We recommend connecting Integro account to Portis wallet, and now it's time to connect to the blockchain with our partner wallet Portis and receive free $1 worth of Ethereum. Click Set by Portis and connect. Once clicked, the Portis wallet will appear on your right, and now it's time to register with Portis. Click Register, enter in your email address, choose a secure password for safe future transactions. And enter in your phone number and type in a verification number to receive the $1 free Ethereum. Type in your verification number and click Next. Next. Cool, thank you. It'll take a few seconds to set up your new Portis account. After your account is set up, click Yes to associate your Portis wallet to the Integro account. Now we're set up and ready to go. If you want to verify that you received your reward, open the wallet by clicking Wallet and enter in your username and password. And you can see that you have $5 on the testnet and $1 worth of real Ethereum in the mainnet. You will also be able to see your Integro tokens in the token section by clicking the 3-stripe bar and choose Tokens in the options, and you'll see your tokens listed. Thank you for watching, and this is the end of our video. Please share this video and help spread the love. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email and join our Telegram community for more news, updates, and information. You can also check us out on Medium and Twitter for recent updates and articles with the links below. And sign up to Integro today with the step-by-step guide. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with others.